Hey yo, these stupid kids in music biz don't even know what music is. They think rocking a crucifix means you can spit that stupidness, but my stuff's the stupidest, and my boss a numerous, so people wonder who is this new addition to the list. Well, tell them I'm a lunatic or hooligan who's ludicrous. Tell them I was rapping back when I was in a uterus. Tell them that I sell them my pawns and cerebellum, cause my brain is so gratuitous I only need to use a fifth. Tell them I'm the eulogist for every rapper who exists, cause rappers will get chewed to bits, so they will get burned to a Christian foolishness. Used to piss me off, but now I'm cool with it, cause I don't even see them. I'm debating if they do exist, debating if who exists, exactly. And if you want that ruthlessness, then get at me. They ask me if I have beef, I'm like, yeah, with my dad, because he doesn't seem to think that I'm good enough for a Grammy. I be like, psh, dad, please, I know you won't be happy when I'm only handing out money to the rest of the family. Granny said my rapping was outstanding, she was clapping, she even gave me a standing ovation when I asked please. When I flow, it's like a stampede, flow so dumb that I can't read, and it also has problems with adding and subtracting. On the mic, I'm a damn fiend, I said rapping so much they wish that my mom took Plan B and never